The meaning of cultural diversity in organizations. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, a global tech company was struggling. They were losing market share, and their product wasn't connecting with customers the way they had hoped. Then, something interesting happened. The company decided to shake things up. They diversified their team, bringing in talent from different cultural backgrounds. Suddenly, fresh ideas started flowing, new perspectives emerged, and they uncovered market insights they had never considered before. Within a year, sales skyrocketed, and the company became a leader in innovation. What changed? Cultural diversity. Today, we are breaking down what cultural diversity in organizations really means and why it's a game changer in the modern workplace. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on workplace success and leadership. What is cultural diversity in organizations? Cultural diversity in organizations refers to the presence of individuals with different cultural backgrounds, perspectives, beliefs, and practices within a workplace. It includes race and ethnicity, different racial and ethnic groups working together. Nationality and language, employees from various countries speaking multiple languages. Religion and beliefs, a mix of spiritual perspectives and traditions. Gender and sexual orientation, a workplace that embraces all identities. Age and generational differences, a team ranging from Gen Z to baby boomers. Socioeconomic backgrounds, individuals with diverse life experiences and challenges. Why does this matter? It reflects our interconnected world. It promotes an inclusive and dynamic work environment. It acknowledges and values diverse experiences, skills, and knowledge. A famous example is McDonald's. With locations in over 100 countries, they adapt their menus based on cultural preferences. Their diverse teams help them understand and cater to different tastes, whether it's a makalu tikki in India or a teriyaki burger in Japan. That's cultural diversity in action. Diversity as a rich tapestry of human experience. Think of cultural diversity as a beautiful tapestry. Each thread represents a unique identity, experience, and viewpoint. Together, they create a masterpiece. Diversity in organizations includes demographic diversity based on race, gender, a. Imagine two teams working on the same problem. One team consists of people who all have the same background, education, and mindset. The other team includes people from different cultures, industries, and perspectives. Which team do you think will come up with the most creative and well-rounded solution? Research shows that the diverse team will. Why? Because they challenge each other's assumptions and bring fresh insights to the table. The power of cultural diversity in organizations. So, why is cultural diversity important? 1. It fuels innovation and creativity. Diverse perspectives lead to unique solutions and fresh ideas. Companies with diverse teams innovate faster and perform better than competitors. Example: Google embraces cultural diversity by hiring talent from all over the world. Their inclusive culture fosters groundbreaking innovations like Google Translate, which was made possible by linguists and engineers from various backgrounds. 2. It strengthens decision-making. A range of viewpoints leads to better discussions and smarter business strategies. Companies with diverse leadership teams outperform those that lack diversity. Example: a Harvard Business Review study found that diverse teams make decisions 60% faster and with better accuracy than non-diverse teams. 3. It improves employee engagement and satisfaction. Inclusive environments foster trust, collaboration, and a sense of belonging. Employees who feel valued are more engaged and productive. Example: Salesforce is known for its commitment to diversity and inclusion. They provide equal pay, mentorship programs, and employee resource groups to ensure that every voice is heard and respected. 4. It expands market reach. A diverse workforce helps businesses understand and connect with global markets. Employees from different backgrounds provide insights into customer needs and behaviors. Example: Netflix tailors its content to different regions by hiring local teams to curate shows and movies that resonate with specific cultures, leading to global hits like Squid Game from South Korea. The difference between representation and inclusion. Diversity isn't just about having different people in the room, it's about making sure they are heard, respected, and empowered to contribute. Representation versus inclusion. Representation is about who is at the table, having diverse employees in the workforce. Inclusion is about who gets to speak and make an impact, ensuring all voices are valued. An inclusive organization doesn't just hire diverse talent, it creates policies, cultures, and leadership approaches that actively embrace differences. How organizations can foster inclusion. Cultural competence training helps employees understand and appreciate different perspectives. Safe spaces for dialogue. Storytelling element. A great example of this is Airbnb. While they hire a diverse workforce, they also go a step further by ensuring employees have a say in decision-making. They host diversity forums, support minority-owned businesses, and invest in communities worldwide. At the end of the day, cultural diversity in organizations isn't just a moral responsibility, it's a business necessity. Key takeaways: Cultural diversity brings new perspectives, skills, and ideas into the workplace. Organizations that embrace diversity perform better, innovate faster, and attract top talent. True diversity goes beyond numbers, it's about creating an inclusive culture where every employee feels valued and empowered. What's your experience with cultural diversity in the workplace? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on workplace success. Thanks for watching, and remember, diversity is strength.